Good morning, Junior 2. How are you? Our lesson today is the fraction. Okay, if I have one pizza and I want to share it with my friend. Okay, we didn't get as much, one only. Add the other. So I need to divide it between me and my friend, okay? So we need to know how to make it by fair for everyone. Okay, if I divide it into two parts, like this, we have two parts. Okay, but we didn't think that was fair. Why? We have two parts don't equal in size. This is the smallest part and this is the biggest pieces, okay? So I will share with my friend by two equal parts like this. Now we have two equal parts in size. This is part equals this is part. So we have here two equal size. So any part of them we call the fraction. But here we can't call any part as the fraction. Why? It's not equal part. But here we have two equal parts. Okay? So any two equal parts in size, this is fair. Okay? Look at your sheet. Sheet 14. The fraction. Page 1. Page 2, sorry. We have here equal and unequal parts. In the first one, we have the whole circle or the whole pizza. Here we have two unequal parts. Why? We have the first part doesn't have the same size to the second part. But the third one we have here, the first part have the same size to the second part. So this is called equal part. Okay? Another example. If we have rectangle, this is called the whole rectangle. And if I cut it in the middle point, so we have two equal parts. But if we cut the same rectangle like this. So we have here unequal part. Why? We have different in the size, but here we have the same rectangle, the same size. Another example, we have rhombus. This is called the whole part. If I cut him to equal parts, how? Make two triangles have the same side. But if we have the same rhombus and cut here him by this way, so we have here equal or non-equal, means we have different in the size, so this is called unequal part. Okay, open page 3. Ask me circle the shape in each set that have equal parts and cross out the shape with unequal part. This is shape. Equal part or no? Means we have here the same size of second part. So this is called unequal part. Equal part. So I will make a circle. This is equal part or no? No. I will cross out. The third one, equal part or no? Unequal. Excellent. So cross out. Means this is part. Are equal or no? This is part. Equal this is part. Equal this is part. Equal this is part. So make a circle around it. The next one. We have here 4 sides or 4 parts. And the 4 parts have the same size, so equal parts. Means here we have 2 parts have the same size, so equal part. Means we have here 4 parts and equal in the size. Make a circle. But here we have 3 parts. This is part equal this is part. Have the same size, but this part equal to the first and the second shape? No. So cross out. The third example. In this triangle we have 2 parts. Have the same size. So this is equal or no? Equal. So I will make a circle. We have here 4 parts. Means this is part equals this, and this is part equals this is part. But this is part equals this is part? No. So cross out. Means we have here 2 parts. Are equal? No. In the fourth example, in the first one, we have 2 parts have the same size, so make a circle. We have here different size, so unequal part. We have here 3 equal part. Why? We have the same size, so make a circle. The next page, homework for you. Open page 5. Means now we know if we have any 2 equal parts, we can say this is part at the fraction and this is part as the fraction. But any fraction we can name, but must we have 2 equal parts or more than, but equal parts, okay? But my name is called Yara and your name Muhammad, Ahmad, Ziad. Okay, So what is the name of any fraction of this? Miss, I will share with my friend 1 piece. So my friend take what? Take 1 piece only. And this is piece for me. Okay. How to write this and how to call this? Miss, we have here 1 part of 2. This is called half or 1 piece, yes? So we can write a half. Why a? For it's single, okay? Or 1 half. Okay. But how to write it? I will write here, okay? In any fraction we have 3 parts. The first part, upper fraction, and the second part, lower fraction, and the third part, fraction bar. This is line, okay? The upper fraction is called numerator. Again, numerator. And the lower part is called denominator. This is part numerator. Again, numerator. Again, please, with me. Numerator, numerator, numerator. And the lower part, denominator, denominator, denominator. Okay. The numerator is colored part, and the equal, how many equal part I do have? I do have how many part? 1. So this is colored part, or I do have, or I have. This is part ask me about all parts. So, in example of pizza, we have how many parts? 1. And how many all parts? 1, 2. So, write 1 over 2. 1 over 2. 1 represent what? Colored part. Here I have 1 part, but 2 represent part, all parts, okay? Another example, import if we have rectangle, like this, and put a line here. We have here equal part or no? Equal part. So if I ask you, write the fraction here, Miss, we will put the fraction part and write in the up or numerator is what? Miss, colored part. How many colored part here? 1 only. And how many all parts here? 1, 2. Okay, if we have 1 out of 2 equal part, this is called what? Half or a half or 1 half. Okay, this is right and this is right and this is right. Look at your sheet. Open page 6. This is example for you. Open page 7. Ask me color the shape that have been cut into half. Okay, this is cut how many part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's not half. Means we have in half two equal parts only. So halves are the two equal parts only of the whole number or of the whole part. Okay, we have here two parts, so I will color one of them. Here how many parts? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 equal parts. Okay, but here we have 2 equal parts, so I will color one part only. Okay, ask me cut this is shape into half. Okay, so I will put one line in the middle. Okay, one line in the middle to divide two equal part in the size. Means we can write this is line here. No, we have here two different size. Means we can write or draw the line like this. Yes. So we have here the first part equals the second part. Means the second one we can draw line 2 divided two equal parts. Okay, the third shape we can draw as this or as this. One of them only. Means I will draw this is. Okay. Means here I will draw like this to divide into two equal parts. So we have here one half. Color one half of each shape. Okay, here we have two parts, so color one half. Here we have two parts, so color one half. This one half, right? 1/2. So how many colored part here? 1. And how many colored part here? 1. And how many colored part here? 1. And how many colored part here? 1. The next page for you. This is homework. Now, if we have the whole circle and divided for 4 parts, divided it, so we have 4 parts. Okay, Here we have what? 4 parts. Miss, we need to know what? How to write it. Draw the fraction part. Okay, numerator is what? How many colored part here? 1 only. So write 1. And how many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write the quarter or fourth 1 over 4. Okay, how to write it? To read it. Miss, we can write quarter or fourth or a quarter. Or a fourth. Or what? 1/4. Or 1/4. Okay? Open page 10. Ask me color in the fraction to write coloring 1/4. Okay? So I will draw 1/4. Miss, we will color 4 part or 1? Remember with me? Our numerator is called me or give me colored part. And 4 give me all parts. So we will color 1 parts. Okay? Here I will draw or color 1 part only. And here I will color 1 part only. And here I will color 1 part only. And here colored part 1 part only. Okay, and here I will color 1 part only. The next page homework for you. In the next part in our lesson, if we have the same circle and divide to 3 parts. So like this. If I have here 3 lines to divide 3 equal parts. And ask me how to name our fraction here and how to write it. Okay, how to write it? First put fraction bar. Numerator, give me what? Colored part. How many colored part here? 1 only. So write 1. Okay, how many all parts? 1, 2, 3. So we have 1 over 3. It's called what? 1 is called third. Again, third. Again, third. Or a third. Or a third. Or one third. Okay, look at your sheet. Here ask me color third of each shape. So I will color one part. I will color one part. Miss, one or three? Three is all parts, but one is colored part, okay? Here we will color one part of three. And here I will color one part. Okay, homework. This is part for you. Okay, ask me write the fraction in letter and digit. So I will draw fraction bar. Okay, in the top we have colored part. Our numerator we have colored part. How many colored part here? One. How many colored part here? One. How many colored part here? One. Okay. And how many all parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1/4. 1 is called 1/4. Okay, in letter equal what? Means we can write quarter or fourth or a quarter or a fourth or 1/4 or 1/4. Anyone? It's right. Here we have how many colored part? One only. And how many all parts? 1, 2, 3. Okay, write in letter. Miss, I hope write 1/3. So we will write 1/3, 1/2, 1/4. Okay. Here we have how many part? Colored part 1. And how many all parts? 1, 2. And how to write in letter? Miss, I will write 1. Excellent. Half. 1/2. Or a half. Excellent. Miss, a half. So write in the top 1. So write in the top 1. So write in our numerator 1. Half, so write 2. Quarter, so write 4. Third, so write 3. The next question, join. Means we have here 3 parts. All parts equal 3. And colored part 1. This is what? A third. Means we have here what? Sorry. We have here 1 colored part and all parts equal to. We have here 1 colored part and equal parts all parts equal 4. This is a half, and this is a quarter or a fourth. Okay, circle the fraction that show the fraction of colored part. This colored part is 1. And how many all parts? We have here 1 and 1 and 1. Okay, but how many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the correct choice. We have here 1 colored part, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and how many all parts? 1, 2. So this is the correct choice. Okay, we have here 1 colored part and all parts equal 1, 2, 3. So our choice equal third. 1 over 4. So we will choose. We have 1 colored part and 4 all parts. 1 colored part and how many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is. In this question, 1 over 2. Okay, we have here 1 colored part and here we have all parts equal 2. But this is part and this is part equal parts or no? Means we have different in the size. So we have fraction here. No, it's not called fraction. We have here 2 equal parts and one of them colored part. So write here 1. And how many all parts? 1, 2. So this is the correct answer. We have here 1 colored part and how many all parts? 1, 2, 3. So this is, but this we have 4 all parts and here we have 4 all parts. The next page. The next page, page 16. Complete this point. How many part is orange? 1. Ask you how many colored part. And how many equal part? Ask you how many all equal parts? 1, 2, 3. So how many orange only? 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Okay, here how many part of is purple? 1. Okay, so how many equal part? 4. So what is the purple? Means quarter only is the purple. Okay, now we know the whole part we can equal 2 halves and we can say equal 3/3 and we can say equal 4/4. Write this. Now we can say what? 1 equal what? 2 halves or 3/3 or 4/4. Like this. 1 part equal half plus half equal 2 halves. Okay, equal 3/3. we can write 3/3. 3/3. Okay? And we can say 1. The circle equal what? 4/4. 4/4. Okay. Open your sheet. Page. This is page. Okay. Ask me here. Write in letter. What is the fraction and in word? And here and here and here. Okay. We will put fraction bar. How many colored part here? 1. And how many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 1/4. 1/4. Okay. Is what? Equal 1/4. 1/4. 1/4. Or 1/4. Or a quarter. Or quarter. Or a fourth. Or fourth. Okay. We have here 2 part scalar. So our numerator is 2. Our numerator is what? Excellent, 2. And how many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write in denominator, excellent, 4. We have here all parts 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many colored part? 1, 2, 3. Here we have how many colored part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write in numerator 4. And how many in denominator? How many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4/4. The first one, we have how many colored part? 1. And how many all parts? 1, 2. So write 1/2. And in letter 1/2 or a half or half. But I prefer 1/2. We have here 2 parts scalared. So write 2 in numerator. And how many all part? 1, 2. Okay, let's see. Now we know 4/4 equal 1. Like this. The one circle we can divide it to what? 4/4. Okay? Or what? 3/3. Like this. Or our circle we can divide it to half. Okay. Here what is the fraction? We have 2 colored part, 2 on numerator. And how many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2/4, yes. Okay, and how to write it? Miss, we know 1/4. Right? How? Miss, we have here 1. So write, start from the numerator or start from up. Okay. We have here what? 1. So write 1. This is what? Quarter. So write 1/4. Okay, if we have here 2/4, right, in digit in letter. So write, start from, excellent, numerator. Start from the up. So write 2. Write this is number here. 2 what? 2 quarters. 4 in down. We know 1/4 equal quarter, and 1/3 equal third, and 1/2 equal half. So write 2 quarters. Okay, if we have 2/3, start from the up or numerator. We have here 2. 2 what? 2/3. 2/3. Okay, 3, no, yes, 3/4. Write this, start from the up, write 3. 3 what? 4. 1/4 is called quarter. 3/4. Sorry, quarter here. Okay. So how to write? This is in letter 2 quarters. 2 quarters. Where 2 quarters? Means we have here 2/4, the same meaning. We know 4th equal quarters. Okay, we have here what? 2/3. 2/3. Okay, write what? 2/3. 2/3. Where 2/3? Here. Okay. Now we have 3 colored parts, so write 3 in the up or numerator, and we have denominator, we have all parts 4. 3/4, the first one. And how to read it? 3 quarters. 3 quarters. Okay, the last one we have 2/2. So write 2 halves. 2 halves. Okay. The next one. Tell me I am the fraction. The fraction, so write the fraction bar. Okay. And my numerator, so is 2. So write 2 in up or down. Numerator is up. So write 2 in up. And how many denominator? 4. I am the fraction, right? The fraction bar. Okay. My numerator, up or down? Up. Excellent. Is 1. And denominator is what? Is 3. 1/3. Here 2 quarters. Okay, the next page. Ask me write the fraction. Miss, fraction part. Fraction bar, sorry. So write in the up we have how many colored parts? We have 2. And how many all parts? 3. We have here how many colored parts? 2. And all parts? 4. How many colored parts here? 1. And how many all parts? 2. How many here? Colored part? 1, 2, 3. And how many all parts? 4. How many colored part? 1. And how many all parts? 3. Ask me color the given number. So write. So color 2 according the upper part. Our numerator. The upper part. 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 So here color how many parts? 2. Okay. So color 2 parts. Here color 1 part. And here color 1 part. And color 3 parts here. And color 2 parts here. And color 2 parts here. Okay, but Miss, what is the number in denominator? Tell me how many all parts. Okay, the next page for you homework, and this is for you homework. Miss, now in the last types we have any shape, any one shape, and divide to the fraction. But if we have the set of any thing, we have here set of shape. Okay, and ask me, we have 4 shape in all. Okay, and ask me how many red? 1 only. Red shape 1 only. So what is the fraction of shape is red? Means our fraction here is what? Is 1. 1 from what? 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will put the fraction bar and write in the up, yes, color part or color number. We have here 1 only. Okay, and how many all parts? 4. So write 1 over 4. The next example, we have here 3 blue t-shirt. We have here 3 blue t-shirt and 4 t-shirt in all. So we have how many blue? We have 3 out of or from 4. Write the fraction. We have 3 have the same color blue, and how many all t-shirt? 4. Okay, and how many and what the fraction? Tell me the t-shirt are yellow. So write all t-shirt and how many yellow? 1 only. Okay, ask me here in group. Why group? We have some shapes but not one shape. Okay, we have some shape. Color part, how many color part? Subject 1. So write here 1. And how many all parts? 1, 2, 3. Here, how many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many colored part? 3. How many colored part here? 2. And how many all parts? 4. How many colored part here? 2. And how many all parts? 3. Here, how many apple is color? One only. And how many all parts? But don't say the remainder. All parts, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here how many colored ice cream? One only. And how many all parts? 3. What the fraction of flowers is red? Okay, we have here red is 1. So what is the fraction of flower is red? Miss, right, excellent, the fraction bar, and right in the up or numerator, how many red flower? 1. Okay, and how many all flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one, what is the fraction of flowers is blue? How many blue? 1, 2, 3. So right in the up 3. And how many all parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one, ask me the fraction of apple is red. We have 1 from 3, so write 1 over 3. How many apples, or what is the fraction of apples have leaves? We have here 1, 2, 3. We have 3 over 3 have leaves. Okay, and how many, what is the fraction of the apple is green? We have 1 only from 3, so write 1 over 3. This is page for you homework, and this is page for you homework story problem, and the last part for me. 4 friends share one pizza. Each gets an equal share. How would you cut it? Miss, we have 4 friends, so I will cut 4 parts. This is 4 parts? No, this is 3 parts. The first part and the second and the third. And this is 1, 2 parts. But this is part with me. This is part divided for 4 parts. So I will share by this. Okay? So I will ask divided for equal fraction. Manar and friend share. This is okay. Each gets an equal share. How would you cut it? Manar and friend. So we have 2 person only. So divided, this is to 2 parts. This is divided 3 part. And this is 2. So right. So I will choose 2 divided 2 equal parts. In your fruit basket there are 4 pieces. So all pieces equal 4. Write all pieces. Okay, of fruit. 3 of them are apple. Okay, express the number of apple a fraction as a fraction. So write fraction bar. Okay, how many all parts? 4. And how many apple of them? Excellent, 3. So our fraction equal 3 over 4, or no, not or, 3 quarters. The last question. Hen divided her pizza into 4 equal parts. So this is all parts. Okay, she gave her young sister 1 part. So this is lost part. How can you represent the left? Left, okay. Hen divided 4 equal parts and give her young sister 1 of part. So what is the remainder, or what is the left? 1, 2, 3 over 4. 3 over 4. Okay? Or called what? 3 quarters or 3/4. 3/4 or 3 quarters. The last page is for you. Goodbye, Junior 2.